In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bills in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and learning how to create bills is an essential part of staying organized and on top of your expenses. Whether you're tracking payments to vendors or documenting purchases for your business, QuickBooks makes this process straightforward and efficient. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's walk through the steps to create a bill together. First, begin by clicking on the New button. You'll find this located in the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is where you'll access many of the features and tools you need to manage your finances. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Bill. This tells QuickBooks that you want to record a bill you've received from a vendor. Now, enter the vendor's name in the designated field. If the vendor is already in your system, their name should pop up as you type. If not, you can create a new vendor profile by typing their name and following the prompts to add them. If it's required, fill out the vendor's mailing address. This step is helpful if you need to keep track of where payments or correspondence with the vendor should be sent. After that, set the terms of payment. This refers to the agreed-upon time frame in which you'll pay the bill. For example, it might be net 30, which means payment is due 30 days from the bill date, or net 60 for a 60-day payment window. Choose the appropriate terms based on your agreement with the vendor. Next, enter the bill date. This is the date you received the bill or when the transaction occurred. It's an important detail that helps ensure accurate record keeping. Once you've done that, verify the due date. QuickBooks will automatically calculate this based on the payment terms you selected earlier, but you can adjust it if necessary to match the vendor's requirements. Now it's time to add the item details. This is where you'll specify what the bill is for. Include a description of the goods or services provided, the quantity, the rate, and the total amount. Be as detailed as possible to ensure your records are accurate. You'll also want to assign category details. This step allows you to classify the expense into a specific category, such as office supplies, marketing, or another type of expense. Proper categorization helps you stay organized and makes tax preparation much easier. Finally, click Save to finalize and record the bill. This ensures that the information is stored in QuickBooks and ready for future reference or reporting. And that's it. You've successfully created a bill in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.